Walmart just secretly launched a brand new fashion line, and I think this might be one of their best lines ever. I cannot believe they haven't been doing so much more publicity for this because this stuff is incredible. So I ordered a ton of things. We're gonna unbox all of them and I'll give you my genuine responses as we go. And I will link everything at those shopping tags right below on the screen as we're going. And you can also check the video description for links and sizing info too. We gotta jump in. So this line is primarily accessories, shoes, bags, but the quality and the styles looked so cute online. I cannot wait to try these out. So the brand is called Scenario, however you want to pronounce it, but this is a really cute, very designer inspired looking sneaker. These look very similar to a Dolce Vita pair. Adidas has a lot that are similar to this too. And I love the color of these. So you've got the darker brown, tan, and black all together here, and the white on the laces. I'm going to try these on, but these feel like they're going to be nice and cushioned and very comfortable on. They also have some great jewelry pieces. So this is a little 3-piece ring set. Let me cut these out of here and see what these look like on, because these are definitely giving me Madewell Anthropologie vibes. Okay, here's what these look like on. This one in particular is very Anthropologie to me and just gorgeous on. These are sizes 7 and 8, so I do have very small fingers. Some of these are a little large on me, but the thing I like about this 3-pack is you can do them on different fingers. They don't all need to go on your ring finger, and I think these two together is really beautiful, and then you can always layer this one on your other hand too. Sorry to cut in here, but I just want to call out that there is a big chunk of you that watch my videos regularly that have not subscribed yet. So if you are enjoying this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. I do lots of budget-friendly, look for less type content that I hope you're going to love. Let's get back to the video. I'm actually gonna leave these on because I feel like they kind of work with my outfit currently. I was kind of going brown and gold toned anyways, but this is a little pair of kind of half hoop earrings. They're almost like a crescent shape. Let me take this out so that we can see it a little bit better. But this is a really pretty textured gold earring. These are gonna look nice and bold, and I love a bold earring. You will pretty much always see me in some version of a gold hoop in any of my videos. These are classic, and the quality honestly feels really good on these. Here is another pair of flats, and you guys, I swear to you, I just bought an identical flat in the Nordstrom sale, and I paid almost $100 for them. Very much wish Walmart would have come out with this line just a couple weeks sooner, and I would have seen these ahead of time, but these are a woven material in a chocolate brown, which is the color for fall 2026. This has a little buckle detail here, and this is like almost like a ribbon type material. It's a little bit ribbed. The Mary Jane flat is not going anywhere. This is one of my favorite types of shoes all year round, but in this color for the fall season, this is going to be a go-to workwear shoe. Any cute outfit, skirts, jeans, anything like that, these will be adorable with everything this fall. Lastly, in this little bag, we have a couple more jewelry items. I also love a bracelet stack. This is another thing you will see me in probably every video that you've ever watched from my channel, and this one looks so expensive to me. This is the kind of resin type material here. This is going to be so cute and nice looking, very chic looking. This does not look like Walmart. I could see this stack at Anthropologie very easily. They probably have a very similar one on their website that would cost you anywhere from $60 to $100. So you're getting very cute, very in-trend style here at a great price point. Then we have another earring set. These are hypoallergenic as well. I personally love this little pair at the bottom with the kind of dangling details, and the brown, white, and gold together are going to be perfect for fall. And then they have all these other options, which you can obviously wear just as studs, but these are great if you have multiple piercings in your ears, if you have part of your lobe pierced. This is going to be a great set for you. Moving into box number 2 here. One of these boxes should have most of the handbags. We'll see if it's this one. Ooh, this definitely has a couple handbags in it. Okay, this one I actually cheated a little bit. This is from Free Assembly brand, but this is a new fall arrival for them, and it is gorgeous for fall. And Free Assembly has been my favorite Walmart brand for ages now. I think the quality of this brand in particular is just insane for the price point. But this is a plaid kind of tote bag, and I think this is gorgeous, you guys. The stitching on the straps here looks so very expensive. This has a snap closure. Let's take some of this packing out. So we can see this is a really great size. I think this actually could even make a good work bag too. This is a good everyday bag. It does have the crossbody strap here. And this is kind of like a light olive green. It almost looks chocolate brown. The plaid itself is chocolate brown, but the strap is an olive green. And then this has the adjustable strap here, and this also has an adjustable little clip here. I mean, I think this is very solid for the price point. I am definitely keeping this one. I think this is gonna make a great everyday fall bag. They also have a bunch of other little accessories in this new brand, and I snagged, you know, I'm loving scarves right now, all things scarves for styling. I snagged this leopard one. This feels really nice, you guys. I think this is such a cute trend to wear around your neck. I've done these a million different ways. If you want some inspiration, go look at a couple of my other videos, because I'm always styling little scarves with sweater tanks, with tops, with denim, with dresses, and these are really great to tie on your handbags too for just that extra style piece. Honestly, I ordered this stuff a couple of weeks ago, so this is a surprise to me as well. What all is in these boxes? This is another pair of flats. Ooh, I love these, you guys. I think these are gonna be super cute on. This is a woven flat, which is very trendy right now. Let me cut some of this stuff off so you can see a little better. This is my favorite shoe for sure that I've opened so far. I love a woven kind of crochet flat right now. Very, very trendy. And I like that this one comes up a little bit higher. So this is kind of your traditional ballet flat, but you do get a little bit more of an updated 2026 version with the bow kind of going all the way around and the woven material. The thing I love about this versus just your classic faux leather or faux suede is that this is very stretchy, and it tends to be significantly more comfortable than other options. At this price point, this has really nice cushion at the back as well. So I think this is definitely going to be a go-to shoe for me all fall. It's obviously another pair of shoes, but again, a surprise. Okay, this is a more traditional classic faux suede flat. Very, very trendy style here. Now again, this is a pretty traditional classic flat, but there are some 2026 updates that brands are making to this, and Walmart definitely got on board here. Number one being this kind of V angle at the foot. It just gives it an updated look. It's really flattering on the foot as well, kind of elongates the legs. And then the stitching right down the center here. This is another newer 2026 type thing. I am also loving this color. This is a really pretty Merlot, gives kind of that nice wine burgundy color that I love in the fall, and I usually like to carry a lot of this color into the holiday season as well. Lastly, we have this big old boy. I think this is some more handbags, maybe more shoes. We'll see. This is another Free Assembly item that I snuck in here because I am always checking the Free Assembly new arrivals. But look at these mules, you guys. Tell me these do not look identical to something that you would find at Nordstrom or Madewell for quadruple the price. I love a mule like this. I think there is something so chic about this type of shoe. It's easy, it's comfortable to wear, but these just look a lot more pulled together than wearing even some of your most classic flats. I feel like these look very, very expensive. They make a great workwear shoe. Again, the chocolate brown color is everything. And this is a faux suede, but this is a really good quality. I love the big buckle on this, and these feel very comfortable. Okay, these are really fun and a little bit unique, but check these out. There is no way you would see these on a store shelf if you didn't know where they were from and you would ever guess Walmart. These look so incredibly expensive and chic and very like fashiony, very designy, very trendy, and I am all about it. Look at the fun heel on this. It's kind of wide and a little bit narrow, and then I love this mule style. This is again another really good quality faux suede here, and I like the leopard print on this. This is one of those types of prints that I feel like you can get away with wearing as a neutral, but it still gives you that fun element. These are going to be great with denim. They're even easier to wear than a traditional bootie because they come down a little bit longer and they slide on and off. You won't need to wear a sock or anything with these, but these are also really cute with dresses and things too. This is one of the pairs that I was the most excited about when I saw them on the website because really people can be charging an absolute arm and a leg for these, and I think this is one of the cutest styles of these that I've seen. Look at these clogs, y'all. These are similar to your classic Birkenstock, but again, with an updated 2026 twist on these. They have this strap that comes up a little bit higher, and the buckle is looking a lot more high end and a lot nicer than your traditional Birkenstock sandal. These are also insanely comfortable, y'all. This has a ton of cushion here. This is a really nice quality material on the inside and the outside, and the strap is adjustable, so you can make this fit perfectly with however your foot wants it to be. And I love that they have a strap on these, because one thing that I have a little bit of a pet peeve about myself and in others is when I see people wearing these clogs and they don't have the strap and they're doing that walk that's just like clanking around every single time they walk, and I find that shuffling sound a little bit annoying, and so I like that these have the strap, so these are gonna stay on your foot better and you won't have to be annoying people as you walk around. Free assembly, what have I done here? Did I order the same thing twice? Oh, I ordered a different color. Okay, these are gorgeous actually, y'all too. I don't even know which one I like better, the chocolate or this color. I do think this comes really into play for me in the holiday season. I like to wear this in the fall too, but I love a mix of that kind of pinky mauve color with this moving into November, December, I think is beautiful. But this will go with all of your plaids, all of your browns really well too, and be a nice little pop-up color. This is a really nice traditional loafer shoe. This is a good mix of classic and trendy. So this is not a new style. The loafer is something that's been around for a long time, but they are kind of seeing a resurgence right now. And there's multiple different ways that you can wear these. You can do them with no sock or anything underneath, and do them with a workwear pant, a jean, anything like that. But one thing that I've seen a lot of lately is doing the cute little like ruffle ankle sock and doing these with a skirt too. Now that is a bit of a trendier way to style them, but I think it's really fun. This again is in that gorgeous chocolate brown color in the faux suede. I really like the buckle on these, and these look and feel much more expensive than they are. Oh yeah, they did have this really fun pair of booties as well. These are so cute and trendy right now. The little fringe detailing is huge. This is something we started to see last year in the fall season, and it is definitely sticking around. I just saw a similar pair to these in the Nordstrom sale, and I kid you not, they were $300, and that was on sale. So this is a great way to do something like this. It's a little bit trendier, gives you that same fun look. These have a really nice feel to them where they look and feel expensive, but I am not spending $300 on a fringe boot because I know that's not something I'm going to wear every single day. This is for fun like concert looks, dresses, maybe skirts. This is kind of a particular type of outfit that I would want this with. Although I will say you could still wear this with a jean and you wouldn't necessarily even notice the fringe if you wanted to wear them as a more traditional bootie. But I think this is a fantastic price point for this trend. I did also have a couple of other bags in my order from the new brand. I see that those got canceled because they were not in stock at my particular store, which is where I got them delivered from. So I will be making another order for those to be shipped to me, but I will go ahead and post a couple photos of those here just so that you can see them. I don't know how long these things are gonna last since this is a brand new brand. I don't know what stock is like. So if you see anything you love, including the bags, I would go ahead and snag it now. But that's a wrap on the newest fashion brand from Walmart. I, for one, am very impressed and excited to see all of this. Let me know what you think of this brand in the comments, and I will also link all of the items at those shopping tags or in the video description. I'll see y'all next time.